Hey, Mark from Dang Good here. We're here in Airdrie today on a big job site doing a move-in for one of our clients. We've got two of our trucks here today. This is our brand new furnace duct from Hypervac, and it's been a great truck for us. We really like it. It's fantastic for furnace and duct cleaning and all that fun stuff. There's another Cleanco 47 in a new van there. Again, that's a really powerful unit, so dang good we don't mess around. We like to have nice new equipment, and we are here in Airdrie, customer's home. She just bought this house, so we're cleaning everything up for her, and got the guys here, so we're going to work in tandem. And yeah, here in Airdrie, if you need your furnace and ducts cleaned, carpet cleaning, we also do hardwood floor restoration, tile and grout cleaning. The list goes on and on, folks. You cannot beat dang good. Give us a call, 403-984-3680. Have a dang good day. Hey everyone, Mark from Dang Good here. We're here at Calgary. We got a little bit of a special occasion. We are using Cleanco Guardian for the very first time. Brand spanking new unit. This is the very first one off the assembly line. So this is its virgin job we're gonna do here. And from what we can tell, this machine is a powerhouse.